Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 21P. It says create a web page containing the heading, fruits, and a numbered list for the following items: apple, orange, pear, banana, and lemon. So when they talk about numbered list, we're talking about ordered list. So we're going to be using the OL tag. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do first of all is to open my notepad plus plus. I'm going to be saving this page as tax 21p. So I'm going to locate my folder. So I'm going to save it in uh, tax 21p folder. So I'm going to call the file tax 21p.htm or html, anyone you want to name it as. Okay. So of course it's just going to take the form. Okay, once you end it with uh once you end the name with the .htm tag, it's going to it's going to come as a web page. So let me just check in my file. So that's it right there. Okay, so I think we are in order. So the next thing I'm going to do is to start writing my code. So first of all, I'm going to introduce HTML5. Okay, so this tells, so I'm going to just start afresh. This tells the browser that the code is in HTML5. All right, doc type HTML. All right, so I'm going to have my HTML tag, HTML, and then end that with another HTML tag. Okay, so within the HTML, I'm going to have my heading. So head, sorry, I'm going to have a head, and then close that too. Yeah. Okay, so within the head I'm going to have the title. Okay, so normally I type the title this way. Let me just give you a little bit of tab. Sorry, title. Okay, and then yeah, I'll close the title. Close that title. So within the title, I will have task 21p. Okay, so that's what I need right there. Okay, so after the head, I need the body because that's where everything will go. Tag body, sorry, body. So this is basically the structure of HTML. So it's nothing new, it's something that you know already though. Okay, so I've got this done. So within the body tag, that's where the magic will happen now. Okay, so of course the question says that we should use fruits, heading as fruits, right? Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is just to have maybe h1. Okay, I'm going to have h1 as fruit now. So create a h1 tag. Okay, so within the h1 tag, I'm going to have fruits. Sorry, fruits. All right. So let me just give it another tab. All right. So within the body now, so I'm going to create ordered list now with using the OL tag. Okay. So this will be the ordered list that will control the number. All right. Sorry. Let me just close that. Closing tag. Yeah. Okay. So I want this a little bit further. This guy a little bit further. Just for the sake of it. Okay. So now, so within the ordered list tag, so now I'm going to have my list. So li, which stands for the list, and I'm going to close that. So sorry, I'm going to close that li, right? So within the li, so the first item should be what is the first item? That should be apple, and then orange. So I'm going to have apple here. Okay, so simply copy this guy, copy this line of code. I'll copy, paste, and then change this to orange. Okay, and then of course paste again, change this one to pear, which is the third one. So I'm going to change it to PM. PM. So that's for that. And then the next one, I'm going to have it as banana. Banana. Then I have the next one. The next one should be lemon. Okay. So that's about that. So I will save my changes. So when I save my changes, I'm going to go back to my folder where it is saved. So sorry, I didn't even open that beforehand. So I'm going to go there and then run the code. Okay. Okay. So this is how it's going to look. Okay. So this is actually how it's going to look. So it's numbered list from 1 to 5. All right. So that's about it. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.